What's happening, everyone? My name is Yasmin and welcome to my first vlog. You want to be in it? Come up here. So it's March 22nd. We've been socially distancing ourselves from everyone for about 10-15 days. It gives me a great opportunity to start working more on my truck as I have a stockpile of parts, and I figure why not and start a video series. Once all this craziness is over, if you guys are enjoying the videos, we'll continue doing them. We're gonna do it on this truck. We're gonna do it maybe on this puppy dog, maybe some photography, some overlanding. So we'll see. Before we get started, Harley here really wants you to hit the like button, subscribe, show us some love. If you don't want to see anything about the truck and you want to see more of puppy dog, just let me know down below. But yeah, show us some love. Well, this right here is my 2019 TRD off-road Toyota Tacoma. Now, as it sits, my taco is fairly stock, which will be changing over the next few days. Up front, I've got a TRD Pro Style Grille with the Raptor styled LED lights in the amber color. Might be pulling those out. I'm not the biggest fan, but we'll see. In the rear, we have got the tailgate inserts, just to make the rear end pop a little bit more. For suspension, I'm running Bilstein 5100s up front. The rear is stock for now. Now for tires, I'm running a Falken Wildpeak AT3W. It's a 265/75R16. It's about an inch taller than the factory size at 31.6 inches. And I've got that wrapped around a Method 701 Trail Series in bronze. The specs on the wheels are, it's a 16/8 with a 0mm offset and 4.5 inch back spacing. So overall, the wheel and tire package and the simple leveling kit makes this truck ride pretty much just like stock. It looks a little bit better. As I said, the truck is pretty much still stock, just a few bolt-ons. Over the next few weeks, we'll be completing the front suspension by doing a Old Man Emu 2-inch spring on it. In the rear, we'll be doing a Bilstein 5100 shock along with a Icom Adeleaf. Also, I will be running some larger tires, so we're going to be going from the 31.6 to 32 to a 33-inch tire by running a Milestar Patagonia 285/75R16. Have a bunch of WeatherTech accessories like floor liners and also wind diffusers. Let us know what you think about the truck, about the video, and what we should do next. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so this puppy dog is not so sad anymore. Also, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it, and we'll see you next time. Are you done? Okay, bye.